When I think about my fears and I really focus on them, they begin to get to me. An abyss opens right in front of me. I feel at first a strong sense of hopelessness and helplessness. And as the fear washes completely over me, I'm about to drown. My throat is closed. I'm ready to give in. I lose my voice, my thoughts. I'm blank. Something so familiar, it hurts. My tears emerge. I stare at a dark hole, ready to fall in completely. To fall or to jump. I'm not even sure about that anymore. And then something inside me holds me back. Tiny at first. I can barely sense or see it. I don't know what it is yet. I watch it. I want to grasp it. It feels like something different. Hey, I hear in the distance. What happens when you don't jump or fall? I lose, I hear myself replying. I lose my safety, my pride, my dignity, my respect for myself, my illusion to be someone, and I will stare into the abyss of nothing. And what happens when you jump? I lose all of the same things, but this time for sure. And everything will become even worse after that. It won't be ending. That nameless thing inside me grows bigger. I can hear it better. So you can't be sure. You lose when you don't jump, can you? You might win something. What could it be? The nameless thing becomes even more visible. I can sense it better now. It feels like a huge power taking me by the hand and filling me softly. I guess you're right. What could I win? I could win more of myself. I have done that before. I can keep doing this. I can have that fear. Let it wash over me and begin to swim. I can win my pride, my dignity, my safety, my respect for myself by being the person I already am. And all that will be left is me. That's right, says the nameless thing. Oh, and by the way, call me Hope. And this is my dream for you. Will you take it?